Batch skip tracing. Is it actually worth it? That's what I hope to help you all find out by the end of this video, okay? This is the company that you hear everybody in the wholesale real estate space talking about, basically talking about the quality of that data. But does it really hold up in real life? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. I hope that you all are pumped for this content. Go ahead, hit that like button for me now, and let's get right on into this.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a...
All right, so real briefly for all of my day one wholesalers out there, skip tracing is basically getting the contact information for an individual that you may have pulled from a list from like a batch leads or a propstream or another service like that, maybe a flipster. All right, so that's basically just getting a phone number and or an email address, but that's what skip tracing is. Now, the question is, what is a good skip tracing? I want you all to kind of keep in mind when it comes to skip tracing that very often these companies are going to give you several phone numbers for the people that you're trying to reach out to, right? So you may get 5 or 6 phone numbers, and y'all know, like I know, that no one's out here walking around with 5 or 6 phones in their pocket, right? So kind of keep that in mind when it comes to your skip tracing. Therefore, like 5 out of 6 of those numbers are probably gonna be wrong, okay? So what I'm really looking at is, out of these phone numbers that I have, are these phone numbers actually getting me in contact with the right person? Not that just someone answered, but is it the right person? Okay, so now that that's out the way, let's go ahead and pop into batch leads, or batch skip tracing, I should say. Let's check out their website and see what their website claims. So it says that they have 325 million records available, 99% of the population, 10.5 billion data points aggregated, I should say, which is pretty cool. They call it tier 1 data, which is good. No long-term contracts is a pretty big part about batch skip tracing versus some other companies. But y'all basically know what batch skip tracing is. At least I expect for most of you all, if you're watching this video, to at least have a general understanding of what batch skip tracing is and what they say makes the difference in their data. What makes batch different, they say. And it says true accuracy, not just hit rate. It says many skip tracing companies will boast of the accuracy of their data and claim it to be the best. What they don't tell you is they're often basing their calculations on hit rate instead of accuracy. And hit rate is basically how many people were you actually able to pull a phone number for, not if that's the actual correct phone number. And they're saying that this is the highest quality data in the industry. I will say this, you will see a lot of other wholesalers, a lot of big name YouTubers and stuff like that talking about batch skip tracing. RJ Bates, Brent Daniels. I'm pretty sure that Pace Morby and Jamil Damji talk about it, I'm pretty sure at least. So they've gotten a really big hold on the actual industry. And that's why I wanted to make this video, to kind of give you all my perspective on if this data and if batch skip tracing is actually worth it or not, at least in my opinion, from my experience using it now. I do like the fact that you could pay per result. From my experience in the past, it was 15 cents, just like if you just went to batchscripttracing.com, and then it was 12 cents if you were on their batch leads system that allows you to text message people as well. That's the $300 level of batch leads. Then you would get it for 12 cents. I think that the prices have changed, but we'll check it out in a second. You do get instant results. So basically, once the leads are done skip tracing, you'll get notified and you'll be able to grab your list in no time, 10, 15 minutes, depending on the size of the list. They say how we source their data: credit bureaus, motor vehicle records, courts, business registrations, public, private, and online repositories. I do like the fact that they're checking credit bureaus, motor vehicle registry. I like that a lot. That means that they're getting really good data in general. So yeah, and it's pretty easy to get started. Okay. Now, guys, unfortunately, I cannot show you the back end of batch leads because YouTube has been removing a ton of my videos whenever I actually show people's personal information. So I just want to avoid that in general. But I do have a lot more to tell you about batch skip tracing. Okay, so first, let's get into the pricing. I just popped over here to the pricing page. It looks like batch skip tracing has actually went up to 20 cents per lead. So basically a list of about 2,500 leads would end up costing you, I want to say about $360 or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. I'm editing up the video right now and I just realized it's actually $500. My bad. So, it can start to get a little bit pricey, like if you're on a budget and things of that nature. I will admit that. So that's the new price, guys. It was 15 cents the last time that I actually checked out this page. So that's the actual cost of it. Now, I know that if you have their batch leads system, skip tracing costs 12 cents. Boom, there you go. So if you do have batch leads, guys, then you will be able to get a significantly cheaper skip tracing price versus actually going to their website as just like a regular customer. However, even if you wanted to be a regular customer, you can do that as well, or you can go ahead and grab batch leads, and therefore you're going to get 14 cents on the lowest level, 12 cents, 10 cents, and just 10 cents is the lowest that it goes, depending on the level of batch leads that you're on. So you can all see the different levels right here. So now I want to talk about a couple features that I can't show you the actual back end of the actual system, but I do want to talk about a couple of the features inside of the system that kind of stood out versus the competition. One is going to be the fact that it does allow you to do a DNC scrub, so you don't have to worry about the litigators and people like that or whatever. When you skip trace those leads, it is going to give you the option to remove the DNC flagged people from your list. But I also believe it will give you the option to just keep them on as well. Like if you just want to keep them on the list, that wouldn't be a problem. The second thing is going to be general ease of use. Actually importing a set of leads and actually getting your list back, it's really, really simple compared to, let's say, like sending your list off to somebody on Fiverr and waiting to get that list back. Like you don't really know what you're going to get and things of that nature. Another thing that I really, 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 really like about batch leads, and honestly, this is one of the main reasons why I personally ended up using them and what I recommend this system for, is that if you're trying to get LLCs skip traced, batch leads, it's where it's at. Okay, they do have LLC data inside of the system, so like when you're in propstream or in batch leads, you don't have to select individuals only. You can actually reach out to nearly 50% of the market, which are investors, which have their companies in LLCs and corporations and trusts. Well, guess what? Batch skip tracing can actually skip trace those leads. So that's going to put you in a really, really good position to be able to get more quality data. So even though it costs more, you're actually getting more from what you're paying for. So I did get a chance to put Versium Reach versus batch skip tracing to see which one would actually produce the better results. So if you all have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I talk about batch skip or I talk about Versium Reach. You'll see a link for it down below all the time. So however, they do charge you up front. It's a $3,600 fee up front. I like Versium Reach, but I did put Versium Reach to the test versus batch skip tracing to see, am I really getting different results, right? Like, is this worth paying, 15, 20, 12 cents, whatever it is per lead for? And I will say this, that my response rate, so the amount of people like that I texted that I actually got in contact with, like this is the right person, I would say was very, very comparable to Versium Reach. Is basically a wash, which is basically around like 20 to 25% on a daily basis. Like 20-25% of people were actually responding in the affirmative, though, not just responding and saying screw off, but well, I guess that was a part of it as well, but also responding in the affirmative. People that were saying, yes, this is me, I could confirm that this is the actual person. A good significant portion of those people were actually saying, yeah, this is me. So then the question remains, who is this system really for? Well, in my opinion, this system is really, really going to be for those people who, one, they want to definitely be contacting LLCs. If you don't mind just contacting the same individuals as everybody else, because that's all that most skip tracing companies can do, then, stick to what you're doing right now. But if you want to also open yourself up to that extra 40, 50% of the entire market who are investors, then I highly recommend that you go ahead and check out a system like Batch Leads. I do recommend it. It's nice. It gets the job done. The match rate has been pretty good, like really high, actually. The match rate is really high, but more importantly, the right person contact is really good, which is really, really important. You want to be talking to the right person if you're going to be calling these people. You don't want to spend money and then you're not actually talking to the people who should be on the other end of that line. Now, it's also going to be for people that kind of have a bag and don't mind spending it. I'll be honest about that. Right now, like, you're going to see heavy hitter wholesalers out there. RJ Bates, Brent Daniels. You're talking about some of the real estate legends out there and some of the up and coming people as well. They're going to be talking about batch. Okay. And I want y'all to understand that there's a reason behind it. They've got big enough bags to actually be able to pull it off at a high enough scale to get enough deals to be able to basically have the business pay for itself. So usually what I'm recommending is that you're skip tracing or that you're contacting at least about 8 to 10,000 people per month. So if you were going to do that through batch, and let's say, for instance, you have batch leads, you were going to skip trace your leads through batch leads. And let's say you got on the $300 level of batch leads and you got 10,000 leads from batch. Well, those 10,000 leads, that's going to cost you about $1,200 per month. And then, it costs you $300 per month just for the service, right? So that's about $1,500 plus roundabout per month that you're going to be spending just to actually be able to contact people. Now, the benefit is that you're getting access to all of the LLCs. You're getting high quality data with a high match rate. And also, you can also pay as you go. The other company that I told you, Versium Reach, they charge you to $3,600 up front for the year. That still is an option, and you will, pay, let's say, 2 cents per lead or less. However, do you want to spend the $3,600 up front, or do you want to spend like $1,200 per month and you know that you'll get those LLCs as well? That's kind of like a give or take right there. It's really up to you all to decide on what's going to make the most sense for you. I'm just trying to make it make sense for you all. Or if you paid the 20 cents per lead and you skip trace 10,000 leads, guys, that's going to be about $2,000 a month to skip trace those 10,000 leads. That is usually it's kind of like the minimum threshold that you really want to be hitting, somewhere between 8 to 10,000. That's just from my personal experience and the experience of tons of other wholesalers that I know throughout the nation. Okay, so we got to put real life numbers on this stuff. It's not just going to happen off of you contacting a couple hundred people. More often than not, that's not really realistic. Okay, so is it actually worth it or not? I would say that's up for you all to decide. I think that I've laid out enough of these parameters and different, kind of thought processes that I think when it comes to batch skip tracing that you all can go out there and make a logical decision. I hope so, at least. That was my plan. Drop me a comment down below and let me know if I did a good job. So just to run over it again, the drawbacks would be the fact that, it's 20 cents per lead or 15 cents per lead if you get batch leads, or 14 cents per lead, I should say, if you get batch leads. So it's kind of costly, but the positive is that you're not going to be locked into a monthly contract with them. You could just do one-offs. And then they also allow you to skip trace for LLCs as well. And they have a really high this is actually the human that I'm trying to talk to, match rate as well. So I would say kind of keep all of those things in mind. If you're going to get it, it's really totally up to you. If you do decide, check out the link down below. You can go ahead, head over there, check out everything that I've showed you on this video for yourself. Maybe at the time that you check this out, maybe the prices have changed. Maybe it's went up, maybe it's went down. Go ahead and click the link down below, find out for yourself and see whether batch leads, or batch skip tracing, I should say, is actually the solution for you. And also, guys, if you want to learn more about wholesaling real estate for absolutely free, I know that you got it right here on YouTube, but if you want to learn things in a more concise way, kind of broken down from point A to point Z, check out my Wholesaler University course. I'm giving it away for absolutely free in 2023. So don't hesitate. I'm trying to tell you, get down in the description of this video now and take advantage of Wholesaler University for absolutely free. And also, guys, I'm curious, what do you all think about batch skip tracing? Have you tried it? Are you gonna try it now that you've checked out this video? I'm very, very curious to hear. Do you hate it? Do you love it? drop a comment down below. Let's talk about it. Let's get in the comment box. Let's have a community discussion. But anyway, though, guys, I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed. And until next time, guys, we are.